Recovery position. If you found a casualty, you should first perform a primary survey and immediately call 999 or 112. Hi there, Michael speaking. I'm a qualified first aid professional and I'll be swiftly teaching you how to put someone into the recovery position. First, kneel by the casualty and straighten their legs. Remove any eyewear or bulky items in the casualty's pockets. Place the arm that is nearest to you at a right angle to the body with the elbow bent and the palm of the hand facing upwards. Bring the other arm across the chest and place the back of the hand against the cheek nearest to you. With your other hand, lift the far knee up so that the foot is flat against the floor. Keeping the back of the casualty's hand pressed against their cheek, pull on the far leg to roll the casualty towards you so they are on the side. You can then adjust the top leg so it is bent at a right angle. Gently tilt the casualty's head back and lift the chin to make sure the airway stays open. Call 999 or 112 for emergency help if it hasn't already been done. Monitor their levels of response while waiting for help to arrive. If they remain in the recovery position for more than 30 minutes, roll them into the recovery position onto the other side.